All right, guys. So you are working with F16 Media LLC. I just want your feedback that how is the service going so far with your air duct company?
So first, we want to say thank you guys for all the effort. Uh, since we start and we just start like a few weeks ago, we are satisfied and we are happy for that connection with you guys. It definitely worth everything, and we hope that we will continue work together and succeed. Definitely recommended to like every company in the US that want to grow and to generate good customers. Definitely high recommended F16. You're the best.
Yeah, I want to say like Saad with full experience in Facebook ad and everything that in in this industry, because before Saad there is like very slowly, and after we just start with Saad, that was amazing, and we just gonna say thank you so much, Saad. You are amazing, and your team, it's wow.
Yeah, from the beginning, I want to complete what you're saying, Gosher. I agree with every word. And honestly, I mean, from the beginning, since we met you, we trust you, Saad. The communication was perfect. I mean, we are coming from our culture and place. You come from your, and you know how to give us what we need, and we feel very comfortable with you guys, which is very important. In additional to the succeed. So thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So what would you rate F16 Media LLC out of 10, especially for air duct cleaning companies?
10 of 10.
10 out of 10. Mea fil mea.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Saad, again.
Thank you, Stad. We appreciate everything.